In this session, let us learn about Java strings. Strings are used for storing text. A string variable contains a collection of characters surrounded by double quotes. Create a variable of type string and assign it a value. See here, string greeting is equal to hello. See, it's hello printed. String length. A string in Java is actually an object which contains method that can perform certain operations on string. For example, the length of string can be found with the length method. See here, string text is equal to A to Z. Now we are printing plus text in dot length method by using length method. See here, the length of the string is 26. A to Z letters 26. More string methods. There are many string methods available, for example, to uppercase and to lowercase method. See here, hello world. See, we are using to uppercase method and to lowercase method. See, hello world printed in uppercase and hello world printed in lowercase. Finding a character in a string. The index of method returns the position of the first occurrences of a specified text in a string, including white space. See here, please locate where locate occurs. See here, locate. See, the result was 7. Java counts position from 0. 0 is the first position in a string, 1 is the second, 2 is the third. String concatenation. The plus operator can be used between strings to combine them. This is called concatenation. Example, see here, Gopie Krishna, last name Ponnuri. See here, plus last name. See here, Gopie Krishna Ponnuri. Note that we have added the empty text to create a space between first name and last name on print. You can also use the concat method to concatenate two strings. See here, now we are using concatenate method, the last name. See, Gopie Krishna Ponnuri. See, Gopie Krishna Ponnuri was printed. Special characters. Because strings must be written within quotes, Java will misunderstand the string and generate an error. String text is equal to we are the so-called Indians from the Asia. The solution to avoid this problem is to use the \escape character. The \escape character turns special characters into string characters. See here, string quote, double quotes, \. The sequence \, double quotes inserts a double quote in a string. See here, now I am using we are the so-called \, double quotes Indians, \, double quote from the Asia. See, we are the so-called Indians from the Asia. The sequence \, single quote inserts a single quote in a string. See here, it's \, single quote, yes, alright. See here, it's alright. Only single quote printed. The sequence double slashes inserts a single \, in a string. See here, the character double / is called \. The character single slash is called \. Only single slash printed. See here, 6 other escape sequences are valid in Java. \n new line, \r carriage return, \t tab, \b backspace, \f from feed. Adding numbers and strings. Warning, Java uses the plus operator for both addition and concatenation. Numbers are added, strings are concatenated. If you add two numbers, the result will be a number. See here, integer x is equal to 10, integer y is equal to 20. See, both were added, the 30 result. If you add two strings, the result will be a string concatenation. See here, string x, string y. See, string z is equal to x plus y. Z will be 1020, a string. It transforms to string. If we add a number and string, the result will be a string concatenation. See here, string is equal to 10, integer is equal to 20. If we add both string and integer, x plus y, z will be 1020, a string. See, the print result was 1020 printed. Okay friends, this is the end of Java part 8, Java strings. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Java math. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.